This is a trailer package we're putting together for commercial power wash. He's actually a fireman in northern Michigan. Not the UP, but northern Michigan. You see wastewater recovery, filtration, 3,500 PSI 9-gallon hot water machine, electric hose reel. This also has a gas-powered 300 PSI 10-gallon a minute soft wash system on here. Right now we're in the build process. So vacuum hose reel, two 270-gallon tanks, winterizing tank. This is going to be used here in northern Michigan where it gets extremely cold. And we got a nice NRR Isuzu on it. That should be done today. This is our single bin lifter. This actually is our gold series with some extra upgrades. So the single bin lifter, this actually is up to 2 to 4 times faster normally than the dual bin lifter with the cheap 2-nozzle head or the inexpensive heads that are out there. Everything we do is to code. These are all 6,000 pound stainless steel valve assemblies, high pressure valves. We don't use the fitting that are rated at 250 PSI. There's people that aren't very technical that kind of build these. So basically this also has a soft wash system on this trailer. We run 6 gallon a minute, 70 PSI. We incorporate a accumulator, stainless steel reel. This is a stainless steel 3,500 PSI at 8 gallon a minute. The other trailer at a 3,500 at 9. Basically about 50 or more % faster cleaning, say flat work, concrete work, any other kind of cleaning, because these are also commercial pressure cleaning systems. They're trash car cleaners. And we have videos of the 3,509 like on the other trailer. They're cleaning a 1,500 square foot driveway in 7 minutes flat. I mean, it's the most amazing video. We're an employee-owned company. We've been in business 45 years, over 45 years. Actually 46, I think, right now in April. And we're also going to be at a new facility, which we're going to have a grand opening on August 10th and 11th at our new 50,000 square foot facility. It's about 15 minutes from here, freestanding. We have training seminars, giveaways, a golf outing for clients. So stay tuned. We'll send out notifications about that. So basically, if you want a new and emerging markets, this is high-speed trash cart and wheelie bin cleaning services. The unique part of what we offer here too is the fact that this can clean a starter can or a can that had never been cleaned in years in a matter of around 30 seconds or less normally. Other systems can take up to 8 or 9 minutes, go through 70 or 80 gallons worth of water, 60, 70, 80 gallons of water. Our unit's going to go through about 4 gallons of water. We also offer, oops, that's not good. We also offer a hands-on training at our facility at no extra charge. We can also go to your facility just for covering the expenses, and we also offer unlimited training services. We actually have route management and accounting software available for this. We have this trailer is going to be headed out today to the sign shop. We're actually going to completely have the thing wrapped and ready to go for the client. Also, if they want any kind of postcards, door hangers, business cards, that kind of stuff, we can do all the graphics and all the marketing packs for you. More information, contact us at 1-800 666-1992, 1-800-666-1992. Have another quick look here. Go to our website, hydrochemsystems.com, hydrochemsystems.com. We're also a chemical manufacturer. We specialize in degreaser cleaners, and actually we're well known for two-step truck washing, brushless truck washing, cleaning systems and solutions. We're pretty much probably the biggest in the nation on that. We have any kind of commercial accessories, so if you need 48-inch or 60-inch wide height for surface cleaners, extension poles, parts, accessories, we have it all. All right.